Hello, movers and shakers. Super excited to say thank you for your participation. Thank you for the DMs. Thank you for the conversations. Thank you for the support. Week 6 has finished for our positive mental health workshop. Super excited that I was able to keep it going for the 6 weeks. Super engaged. I give a special shout out to Natasha, and I give a special shout out to Audrey for being involved, really engaged, signing up, signing in. It's been an awesome 6 weeks. So as you can see, it's still light out because this is the day after. We had a great conversation. We went beyond the week 6, which was moving forward, building next steps for sustained positive mental health. The bottom, it's a continuous journey. Positive mental health is something that we're always going to be working towards and striving towards. So just because the workshop session has ended, it doesn't mean that we have ended on that goal. So the plans for the next steps are going to be November, December distribution of the bundles of active love. If you don't know, and if you're new to the channel, Hills and Valleys nonprofit organization has various programs, various services where we share bundles of active love, because love is active, as you know, and love is also very expressive. So we give tangible goods. We give strategy with those tangible goods. So in each of the goods that we are giving, we also put in some information packages just to help them. So I guess maybe what we'll do is we'll be focusing on mental health for the next couple of bundles, and it's going to be awesome. In terms of marking our final sessions, we just want to say that I'm looking forward to new partnerships, new sponsors, new donors. So please feel free to connect with me. Feel free to check out my socials. Feel free to check out the websites to get more information about some of the programs and services and activities that I provide, and how maybe you could also lend your expertise in that manner. We want to also reflect on our own growth. We've done a lot of great conversations. So some of the things that we want to talk about is, what are some of the reflections, what are the guides that have helped shift our mindset throughout this workshop series, and how can we apply some of the conversations, some of the strategies, some of the things that we've learned over the 6 weeks period, and sustainability. How can we continue? How can we maintain? How can we encourage others? Hills and Valleys nonprofit organization is all about empowerment. So how can we empower our individual connections, our community connections that we're a part of? How can we empower them to live their fullest potential? Some of the other things is we want to connect. So feel free to connect with me. Stay tuned for some of the various activities that are happening in 2026. 2026 will be about maintaining our positive mental health. So all of the activities, all of the services, we're going to have that element also attached to them. Another big thing that's going to come up in 2026, early March, I'm having an EmpowerInnovate Movement Workshop, where we're going to have the coloring reflection books, and we're going to do some exercises in a guided session. So it's going to be fun, it's going to be learning, and it's just going to be a time for connection. So stay tuned for that. More details are going to follow. You'll be able to connect with that through Eventbrite and various other socials. So look forward to connecting with you. Thank you very much for being a part of it. Big shout out to everybody who encouraged me, supported me, empowered me to keep going. I appreciate you. Bye.